TaxRelief.com.
Soul 106.3, live from the Top Dog Law Studio. Top Dog gets you top dollar. Go to TopDogLaw.com. That's TopDogLaw.com.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for central and southern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 8:45 p.m. At 8:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located along a line extending from LaGrange to Palos Hills to Orland Park, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Chicago, Cicero, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Midway Airport, Austin, South Lawndale, and Roseland around 8:20 p.m. Calumet City, Bridgeport, Chicago Loop, South Shore, Dalton, Northerly Island, near West Side, Chatham, Hyde Park, in South Holland around 8:25 p.m. Hammond around 8:30 p.m. Ohm zones, tornado warning. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.